Well, it's nice to see an older one in for a map. So here she is. We're going to get up on the dyno, do some base power runs. We've got some software to tune this this ECU with a chip. We'll see how we get on. Here we go. Morning, Richard.
I think it's afternoon now.
It ain't. It's still morning, mate.
It's not.
Get a check now, aren't you?
Well, the clock in the car says 12:04.
Is this affecting my wages?
It's 12:03. It's afternoon.
Oh, all right. Afternoon, Richard. How are you this afternoon?
Just wanted to correct.
It was only just started, so you don't know whether you're having a good afternoon yet, do you?
No.
So, in retrospect, how was your morning?
Bit slow going.
Yeah. Feeling it.
Hmm?
I'm mostly dealing with emails. Mostly
emails.
Mostly emails. Hello, I've ordered a part from a different company. It's not turned up yet.
Yeah, that's right, because it's not from me.
Well, try ordering it from me then.
Yeah. A more standard chance of this.
Yeah, and I'll actually pay the supplier. You look very comfortable there, Rich. You know these older Civics suit you anyway, don't you? Look at that. He looks badass in that, I reckon. Oh, you wouldn't mess with him, would you? I'm going to mess with him. Keith particularly enjoyed the bomb that this dropped out of the back. Whilst he was stood outside the dyno cell, it made him jump, didn't it, Keith?
Was you filming that?
Yeah.
Did you? You were saying.
You shake, basically, Keith shaking his head going, oh, that's a bit loud, and then he dropped a bomb and he about ran off.
Yeah, about run away.
Yeah, so B16 EM1?
Well, that's what it would be. I don't think it is originally a B16. I think it's a B16 conversion. Okay. But yeah, nonetheless, I mean, good. I mean, these are 160 brake out of the box, bearing in mind that was quite a few years ago now.
Indeed.
You know what I mean? But yeah, it seems a good one. It's not really smoking its head off or anything. It's not real good. It's obviously a decent engine.
It's not smoking.
It?
It must be for sale on Facebook then.
Yeah, it must be. No, but I mean, what I'm saying is
Yeah.
these are old now. You know what I mean? No question. So it's nice to see one that's performing well. And
Yeah, good one.
so what it needs to do. Software is something I've not used before. To be fair, that sort of cheaper end of the software.
Yeah, it's not Hondata, is it?
No, it's sort of cheap. It's not the old
Emulator.
It's not the old emulator type. Obviously, with say like just a chip and a P28 ECU, and it's not quite up there with the S300, but it's sort of a midway point, which is fair enough. I mean, the program did what it needed to do, and it's back the car. So that's fine.
I mean, what can you expect for free software though?
Yeah, it's just a bit, it took a little bit longer than what we would normally sort of expect, because obviously we've got to get to grips with it.
But that's fine. It's Monday.
Yeah, it's Monday and it's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. That's it. Can we go home now?
Yeah. That's it. We're done for the week.
We are. But yeah, it dropped a staggering bomb, and it was loud enough for me to think I'm not going to open the big doors today and upset the MOT station. So, but I did get a dramatic flame out the back, which is always my favourite part. So, look at the graph.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Let's do it. Okay, so obviously it arrived on a base file, and we tried to do an initial power run, but we got this far before we realised that wasn't going to be sufficient to do a full power run to go all the way through. So red line has actually came in, blue line has actually leaves. Nice curve on that, and we finish at 166.6. Yeah, pretty cool. I'd love to see an old thing. We've got a Honda meet on Saturday, and he has assured me that he will attend. So the FN2 boys and the EP3 boys get to see a B16, because let's be honest, they're getting rare, aren't they, really? So yeah, really looking forward to Saturday. That's Saturday the 30th. So if you're watching this in 6 months' time, yeah, Saturday the 30th, and that's 2022. But there you go, another one in the bag. What a beautiful car it is, and we do appreciate something different. So yeah, looking forward to seeing this one out around the streets of Barwell and Shilton, terrorising the place, as all good Civics should be doing. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we shall see you on the next one.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.